welcome back to my channel. I'm happy to be back on YouTube, ready to film some content for you guys. First off, I hope that everyone is doing okay wherever you may be. I hope that you're safe, healthy, around your loved ones, and I appreciate you guys for coming to check me out. Hello to my new subscribers. If you're not subscribed, I'm gonna give you a second to subscribe. What's up? Click the subscribe button and make sure you hit the notification bell so that you don't ever miss an upload from me when I do post. We're growing over here. We're, getting to more content. We're learning from each other. And okay, so the first item that I got is some rollers, right? So I am relaxed. I wear my hair relaxed under my wigs. So I would go to the hair salon to get, wash and set. But now I can't. I have to do them myself. So I brought some rollers. I got the big gray color. I also got some purple ones. They're a little bit smaller. So these are the rollers I will use to do like a wash and set from home. I do have a portable air dryer or blow dryer, but I usually just let my hair air dry, especially since I have nowhere to go. I'm not in a rush. So these are the rollers that I brought. Okay, so I also brought Ion's Color. This is the Color Defense Shampoo. All right, it gently cleanses, helps strengthens color treated hair. Okay, so I brought this. I got the recommendation from the Hair Life official. So I follow her on Instagram. So I brought this for my wig making supplies, and I also got the Ion's Healthy Scalp. Okay, and this is Healthy Scalp Solutions. It cleanses, balances scalp infused with aerosol to help minimize flaking due to dry scalp. Okay, so this is another product that I brought for my wig making. I may try it for my relaxed hair as well. See if there's any solution for that. I also brought the Care. Okay. This is their hydrating detangling shampoo. It's sulfate free. Okay. So I brought this for my relaxed hair. So that way I can, shampoo it, and then follow up with a conditioner that I already have. Along with that, I also brought the ISO Plus neutralizing shampoo conditioner. All right, so for those who are familiar with bleach knots, you would use this to balance out the closure or frontal when you bleach your knots. This is a neutralizing shampoo to help get rid of the chemicals that were placed on the closure or frontal. So it just helps to bring the frontal or closure back to its natural state after it's been processed with bleach. Okay, also I brought the Cream of Nature with Argan Oil from Morocco. It's the creamy oil moisturizing hair lotion. Okay, it restores moisture, softens and adds exotic shine. Okay, so I brought this, right, for again my natural hair. since I'm gonna be doing it more frequently now on my own, I needed to stock up on some products, so that way I can feel like I'm in the salon, but I'm not really. So yeah, so I got this as well. And the last two items I got were some duck clips. Okay, so when I roller set my hair, I'll use the duck clips to secure the rollers in my hair. Okay, they're just your standard duck clips. If I can open it. Yeah, so they're just your standard duck clips. So I'll be using these for my roller setting. Okay, so that wraps up my Sally Beauty haul. If you have any, items that you think I should have purchased, leave them in the comments. What are some items that you guys use on your hair when you're, home and doing your own hair? And do you have any like recommendations, for the future? Because I may need to make another purchase. We don't know how long this is going to last for. So if you have any suggestions, just leave them in the comments. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. All of the items that I purchased will be listed below for you to check out for yourself. If you are interested in me making you a wig, you can follow me on Faye Slay Custom Units on Instagram. I'm on Facebook as well, Faye Slay Custom Units, and I will be there to give information. I'm in the process of building my information for you guys to be able to send hair to me if you're interested. I'll leave all of the information down below, and you guys take care. I hope that everyone is safe wherever they are, and just stay positive, okay? So take care. See you guys in my next video. Bye.